Welcome back to SPON Academy. Today's lesson is how to configure devices to XC-9038's inbuilt server with NAS protocol. First, let's know about the required connection for this lesson. Connect to the XC-9038 microphone and IP speakers to the same network. Make sure all the device's IP addresses are in the same network segment with the same server IP, which is the XC-9038 microphone's IP, and a unique device ID for the microphone and speakers. And next, let's learn more about how to configure device's parameter. Open a new web page and put 192.168.1.101, which is the default IP for all the devices. Username and password are both admin. In basic settings, network parameters, dispatch a unique ID and an IP address that on the same network segment as the XC-9038 microphone. Input the XC-9038 microphone's IP address at the manager server. After click Save, device will reboot automatically. If you want to access the web page again, please use the new IP address. Now let's try it with the second type of web page. Open a new web page and put 192.168.1.101. Username and password are both admin. On the network parameter page, set an IP address on the same network segment as the XC-9038 microphone. After save, device will reboot and put the new IP address in the tab when it's done. On the server parameter page, change the protocol to NAS. Dispatch a unique ID and set the server IP same as the XC-9038 microphone. Device will reboot after click Save. After everything is ready, let's take a look how to add the devices to the server. Since the XC-9038 has a different server version, I'll be breaking it down into two separate parts. Open a new tab and type in XC-9038 IP address 192.168.200. Username and password are admin. I've already set the microphone server IP to 192.168.200 and ID to 1, so it can also be online at the inbuilt server. In order for us to use the inbuilt server, we need to enable it first. After click Save, device will reboot. Wait for a while and log in again. Click Inbuilt Server. As you can see, there is no device information yet. We need to add it first by clicking Add. Input an endpoint name so it's easy to recognize. Endpoint ID are the device ID we dispatched before. Click Save when it's done. Or you can add in multiple endpoints by clicking Batch Add. Input a range of the endpoint ID. Enter the endpoint name. Duplicated name will be add a sequence number at the end, like speaker 1, speaker 2, etc. As you can see, the device we previously configured and the microphone itself are now online. Now let's take a look at the new version of the XC-9038 inbuilt server. Log into the web page. Change the server parameter. Change the protocol to NAS. And notice that the ID number for the new XC-9038 must be 1. To online to the inbuilt server, change the server IP to XC-9038 terminal IP. Click Save and restart. Now click the embedded web server on the right corner. Check the terminal management. You can see in the new version, it already has 31 terminals. Another device will automatically online after proper configuration. I will show you how to adding device manually. Click Add Device. It will start to scanning the devices on the network. You can see the IP speaker has been scanned with the model type and IP. Select the device and click Add. You can configure it the device IP address again, or click Skip. You can see the IP speaker is successfully online with its ID number 2. Click Edit to change the terminal's name. In this video, we have learned how to configure NAS device to the XC-9038's inbuilt server, including connecting microphone and speaker to the LAN network, setting device's server IP and ID with 2 types web page, and lastly, enable the XC-9038 inbuilt server and adding device to the server. That's all for today's lesson. For more information, please visit our website www.sponcome.com. Thank you for watching.